don't do the mistake I do. It's a broken return fuel line. And here we get the new return. Sorry. Look much better and solid. This is the part number if someone interested. Look much solid. And this is the new one. Look like that. So good quality. And this is the old one. This is the old one. It's broken with me. Look that one part. I'll tell you how it's happened when I put that one, the return back. When I put this one, I'll tell you how I break it. And this is take the intake manifold. We clean all the where the injectors go, all here, there, and there. We clean all the fuel line to make sure sitting nice, not dirt anyway. And this is the new injectors. Have all the washes with it. This is the seat one, and this for the return fuel one. And yeah, it's really nice. Now when I just sample, put a little bit, like I don't want to tighten them or anything, just I want to make sure the fuel line they line up quick, like good, sorry, just to line up right before even I tight or I put anything. Just I want to make sure they're lining up. All where the washer want to sit all nice and clean. There, everything clean. Before we put the washers, seat washers. And this is a helpful tool when you want to put the, I don't know if it's focused, yep, the washers. This is the seat where the injector sit on. It's really helpful when you want to put them in, and when you want to take them off, it's easy. It's just good one. Yep, that one good. And you wanna make sure no one left. There are no one left. This is how it came. You wanna make sure no dirt or you damage that pin. You wanna make sure you don't damage that pin when you install it or do anything. When you check here, it looks like it's not much far. It's mean just you have to tip it a little bit there and we'll be in the place. And I rather much better install the injectors now than when you put the throttle body, because after you put the throttle body a little bit, especially that part there, will get like a little bit tight. These injectors, what I recommend to put some anti-seized, like to not rust, easy to take them, just not here. I didn't put anything here, just put them over there. Over there in the high area. I'll show you how it is. Yeah, just like that. Just slowly, nice, easy. Don't have to rush. Just move the injectors on. And just make sure when you tight by hand, you don't force it. Just like screw nicely without any force. I should put the injectors before I put the manifolds, much easier. But anyway, we've done it now. Now it's everything in place. Beautiful. Nice. And make sure when you tight that nuts down there, not up here. Not up here, down there. This is what you should tight, not here. Nice. Just I take the screws off from here so I can move a little bit the injectors and to tight that stuff here. We're using 21 socket, long one, to fit nice and even. Now we set the torque on 54 for the injectors. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Start with the first one. Make sure in the right angle. Easy and nice. You're not in rush. Go to the other one. No rush at all. Beautiful. Other one. But highly recommend if you want to take the intake manifold to do the injector first. Beautiful. This one in. Just put the cap back. This one here. Let's have a look. Yeah, fit amazing. Beautiful. Yeah, we finished the injectors, we torque them. Now I want to do the washes. This one, they come like that. They come like this. Take the top off, beautiful. Put the one there. We put all the washer on. So easy. And now I will tell you where I do the big mistake. And this is the 4 nuts. What happened? The old owner, he tied that one more than the injectors. He tied that nuts, it's come on top here, more than the injectors. What's happened with me, when I try to take the nuts off of here, it's all the injector start to lose, but the nuts here, it's really hard to take it. Even after I take the rail off, I put it like in really take a long time to take it off. But what's happening when it's loose, the injector loose, but the nuts not loose. What's happening with all the other one, it start this from here, and here start to turn with me. Start to turn because he torque, or I don't know, maybe he do it by hands, the nuts more than the injectors. And this is why it's really important to use the torque. Just you have to connect the hose. This hose here. And you want to put it there. Just to make sure everything fit nice without any force, because you don't want to break that one. And now time to put the washes in. It's 17. Torque that nuts. This nuts here. That 1, 2, 3, 4 is 30. One of them 30. And now we put the line back by hands. Fit nice before even we start. We put this line back, but I didn't tight any nuts or torque, just to make sure when you put them back, everything like fit nice, and all the way down and all the way up, just to see if anything. Yeah, just you don't have to tighten it, like just a little bit. And here's the same. And now we take them back off. So when I torque them, and after that I show you how to torque them. And for this high pressure fuel line, all of them, it's 15. You torque them at 15, this from Toyota. And after that, there's the special tools. If you want to torque, if you don't want to torque, up to you. You can use like 14 wrench, will work. But this is really helpful for torquing. Just come like this. Yep, exactly like that. Just I have to bring the shim. So. And then after we finish, this is how you put the injectors back with the fuel line, with the rail down there, nuts on the rail, and the injectors, what the torque from Toyota is. And yeah, this is how we do the injectors. And other thing I want to say, it's a preference to everyone, but I like, for me, everything I torque, I like to put mark on it to see where I am. If anything get wrong, I can figure it out what we talk. Even I talk that one, I change it. Everything I do big job here, I change most of the stuff. But yeah, I like to know what everything it's going on. Now I mark wherever I can reach. The one in the bottom I couldn't reach, but yeah, the one I reach here, I torque all of them, even the other side. I like to torque everything I can and mark everything.